Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how to add beat on CapCut. Alright guys, the function of the beat is to synchronize slide transition with audio beat, and here I have imported some photos to my project, and I have imported audio as well, and we're going to practice how we can add beat. So let's get started. The first thing you should do is you can click on the audio like this, and you can click on the audio again until this feature appear on your screen. Then you need to scroll all the way to the right until you find beats option, and this is the beats option, so just tap on it. Then you can add the beat automatically and also manually. If you want to add beat manually, you just need to tap on this plus button. Then this is the beat. Then I'm just going to add the beat automatically, so just click on this auto generate option. Then right after you click on that toggle button, the beat will be added automatically to your audio. And let's just select the speed. You can select slow or fast, and I'm just going to select this one. And if you want to make it the beat faster, you just need to drag it to the right like this, and you can go left to make it slow. Alright, and after we're done, we just need to click on this check mark button. Okay guys, and now the beat has been added, and we can synchronize the transition to the beat. So I'm going to drag my photos like this to synchronize the photos with the beat. Okay, and we have to do it one by one like this. Alright, and let's just take a look at the result. So just play the video. Alright guys, and that's how we can add beat on CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.